Staff of Anambra Broadcasting Service with their counterparts at the Ministry of Finance, Oka, trooped out in mass to bid farewell to their fallen colleague, late Ogochukwu Okeke. ABS correspondent Ogochukwu, who covered the event, reports that the deceased was buried in her father's compound, Umwezana Nkwelogidi, in Idemili North Council area of Anambra State. She has the details.
In his sermon during the funeral service, the pastor of Omega Fire Ministry, Ogidi, Pastor Peter Adamu, who took his theme from Hebrew chapter 9, verse 27, reminded the congregation about the mysteries of life, stressed the need for one to live a godly life. In an interview, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Anambra Broadcasting Service, Mr. Chris Moaloku, represented by the Director of Programs, Mrs. Nneka Ekunife, and the Acting Director of Administration, Mrs. Chinwe Mamadu, described late Ogochukwu Okeke as a dedicated and ever-cheerful staff, who related well with her colleagues and encouraged the family to take solace in God. In their separate tributes, her relatives, Mr. Ogochukwu Okeke, Chief Ezenwanne Osefo, Mrs. Adeze Okeke, and Mrs. Ekene Aniemeka, recounted the good memories of their late sister, described her as a caring, loving, ever-cheerful, and a wise counselor whose good deeds was felt by all around her.
She was a dedicated staff. I could remember her at the e-library. She's always smiling, full of smiles, no worries. But you know, at times life happens.
She's the type that whenever she's around, you know that she's there. She always try to secure the siblings, protect the siblings from anybody.
Ana sika Chineke kasi ezinụlọ obi. Ọzọ emezina na ABS maka na ihe full ABS. Ogochukwu bụ ezigbo mmadụ.
The funeral ceremony featured condolence visits by various groups, relatives, friends, in-laws, and well-wishers. From Ogidi, Ogochukwu reporting for ABS News.